Everything sucks. My life sucks, all my friends are gone. A hooker down the street got hit by a car yesterday. My dad has AIDS, and my stepmom's a total bitch. All my friends are dead. I mean, what else do I have to live for?
Hey man, it's okay.
It's not okay.
Well, what are you doing with that gun there?
I'm gonna kill myself.
No, don't do that. Instead, have a sandwich.